Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to a farm, a nursery basically. It's near Big Banyan Tree. So let's see. There are a lot of plants, flowers, etc. here. You can see it's a hibiscus flower. I just loved it. There were a lot of flowers like that. This is also a flower which we bought. It's really pretty. Next we went to fruits and vegetable garden where we bought few stuff. It's a huge place. This is a lemon plant. A lady was helping us. These were the plants which we bought. These are pots, sure. And we took all these plants